to my channel. Today I will show these shoes. You can see the shoes body. The top, shoelace, and logo. Inside, behind. Now this one, the body. If you are interested, can call me or go to my website. This is my website. See you next time. Bye bye.